Hari Om children. Hope you're all safe at home during this lockdown. Stay safe, stay healthy. We all have spent a valuable time with our family. As a next step, our academic year is going to start. So I would like to guide your studies through some means of communication. As I said, lockdown, it has changed many of their lives. And we all know that only our prayers can change the situation. Here, I would like to start our class with prayer. So let us all close our eyes, take deep breath, chant Om 3 times.
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम.
Children, I am going to teach you a new lesson in English. Before entering into the topic, I would like to give you some information about robots. We are going to see the topic about a world with robots. Do you know what is robot? It is a machine. It works in all the fields of industries, medical, education, many offices. So it reduces a man's work. It is a machine, computerized. So it does all the work where a human works. In this, especially, you are going to see about a robot which thinks something different. That is the trick robot. Trick means something it makes others to do, something smart. Okay, now children, kindly pause the video, take your notebooks, write the heading sight words. First one, trick. Thinks, answer, thinks smarter. Now we are going to enter into the lesson. There are 3 characters: Vicky, his father, and the trick robot. Usually, Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. He never kept his things back in a right place. He asked his father to buy him a robot, but his father wanted him to be an active boy. Normally, all of our parents want us to be active. So, he bought a trick robot and gave it to Vicky. Vicky was very excited to see the robot, and he asked the robot, "I'm hungry, cook some salad for me." The robot replied, "I do not eat salad, so I cannot make the salad." After some time, Vicky asked the robot, You are a robot. You cannot refuse me. Clean my room. Robot said, do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that. Vicky was little bit tensed. He said, I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone. Robert replied, I must make some calls. Why don't you do it yourself? Vicky had some headache, he said. He asked the robot, get me a cup of hot tea. Robert replied, my battery is draining by listening to you. First you charge my battery. Vicky was totally irritated. He said, I'm tired of you. Play me a pleasant song. Robert again said, that's a great idea. Why don't you do it for me? And finally, he hated the robot and he said, Dad, please sell this robot. It is totally useless. Even the robot replied, yes, this time please sell me to an active master. I don't want to work for a lazy people. So from this, Vicky understood how lazy he was. Have you all understood the story? Good. Now, note down the sight words as I read and explain the lesson. Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. He never kept his things back in the right place. He pleaded his father to buy him a robot to do his work. Children, kindly note down the second sight word, pleaded. 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 Meaning requested. 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 Pleaded. Requested. Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy. So, he bought him a trick robot. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. He was glad to have a robot to do all his work. Vicky is excited to test his new robot. Children, kindly note down the third sight word, excited. Excited. Excited, meaning very eager. Veryeager. Very eager. Excited, very eager. He asked, what? You are a robot. You cannot refuse me. Clean my room. Robert replied, Vicky, do you want me to stain my back? I cannot do that. Vicky asked Robert, really? I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone. Again, Robert said, Vicky, why don't you do that yourself? I must make some calls. Vicky, I have a headache now. Get me a cup of hot tea. Robert replied, my battery is draining by listening to you. First you charge my battery. Vicky with anger, I'm tired of you. Play me a pleasant song. I want to relax. Children, kindly note down the fifth sight word, pleasant. 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 Meaning happy. 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 Pleasant, happy. Robert replied, that's a great idea. Why don't you play one for me? Finally, Vicky, oh no! Dad, please sell this robot. It is totally useless. Again, Robert replied, yes, this time please sell me to an active master. I don't want to work for lazy people. Vicky understood the trick of the robot and asked the robot, really? Is that why you didn't help me? Hereafter, no more robots for me. I will do all the work by myself. And Vicky finally changed his character. So, children, from this, I hope you all understood the story. Moral of the lesson is don't depend on others, do your work by yourself. Don't let others to do your work. Don't be lazy, be active. Okay, children? Now, children, again check your important sight words. Our eyes are continuously fixed on the smartphones, followed by some eye grabbing shows on television. This constant stress gives rise to eye problem. So, if you want healthy eyes, follow these simple easy eye exercise. Children, after the prayer, I will send you some links to complete your worksheet. Open the link and copy down the questions and answers in your notebook and send a photocopy to me. Then let's conclude the class with the prayer. Slowly close your eyes.
पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम